The human brain. The unsolved enigma. For decades, scientists have been fascinated about the way it works. How a huge amount of data from countless sensors are constantly being pushed, sending out pulsing electric signals, and how these signals are infused into our big data subconscious, combined with our past experience, our memories, and in a fraction of a second, are consolidated into an effective idea and disseminated as a course of action. For several years, Rafael's engineers have been studying ways to track this enigmatic process, to render it into advanced algorithms, in order to create a one-of-a-kind imagery insight system, ImiSight. When overseeing an enormous number of properties or infrastructures spread across huge distances, real-time monitoring presents a major challenge. Extensive amounts of data are coming from various sensors. To make the right on-the-spot decision, relevant data must be monitored, extracted, and analyzed. For that, you need ImiSight, a multi-sensor monitoring system and service allowing meaningful imagery insights fused with other data sources. ImiSight Intelligence Monitoring System and Service can be deployed at customers' emergency bases, control rooms, or any other location. It can also function online as a service. Using advanced algorithms for high-end image processing in real time, ImiSight offers a variety of tailored analysis tools. For property monitoring, ImiSight uses remote sensing from multiple sources to clarify land registry and boundaries, detect any illegal building, changes, violations, or damage, thus validating a property's integrity and legitimacy over time. After reception and processing, the geo information is checked and integrated to ascertain that the property description matches the ImiSight data and sends an alert in case of discrepancy. For pipelines, electricity distribution network monitoring, and third parties damage prevention, ImiSight can monitor a vast infrastructure over complex terrain. The system detects and reports natural hazards, leaks, landslides, and eco-disasters, as well as excavations, vandalism, and criminal interventions. Generated reports allowing quick and effective response to any given deviations. Alphanumeric video clips or geodata layered reports are disseminated to relevant operators such as maintenance teams, fire and police departments. The ImiSight system and service, like the human brain, processes a huge amount of data from countless sensors and formulates it into a coherent situation awareness picture, resulting in practical insights leading to the right decision for the optimum course of action. This is ImiSight, the one-of-a-kind monitoring system, providing relevant information to the relevant customer at the relevant time. ImiSight by Rafael.